Welcome to the Company Overview page on Stockoscope. This is the first tab you see when you look up any company. It gives you a high-level snapshot of the business. Let's walk through each section. At the top, the Company Profile section provides a business description on the left explaining what the company does. On the right, a details card shows key facts. This gives you a quick understanding of the business before diving into the numbers. The Price Performance section features an interactive chart showing the stock price over time. You can toggle between time periods ranging from 1 month to 5 years. The current price and percentage change are displayed prominently. On the right, the Historical Returns card shows performance across 10 time periods from 1 day to 10 years, each color-coded green for gains and red for losses. The Revenue Analysis section shows how the business actually makes money. At the top, you can toggle between product segmentation and geographic segmentation to see the company from different angles. The revenue to profit flow diagram is a Sankey chart that traces how money flows through the company's income statement. Starting on the left with revenue segments, it shows the total revenue, then subtracts the cost of revenue to arrive at gross profit. From there, operating expenses like research and development, selling and administrative costs, and other expenses are deducted to reach operating income. Finally, taxes, interest, and other items flow to the bottom line, net income. The width of each flow represents its relative size, so you can instantly see where the money goes, and how efficiently the company converts revenue into profit. Below the flow diagram, an accordion reveals 2 more views. The 10-year segment trends chart tracks how each part of the business has grown over the past decade. And the latest year segments table breaks down each segment's revenue alongside its year-over-year change. Together with the flow diagram, these help you understand not just how big the business is, but how diversified it is, how fast it's growing, and where that growth is coming from. The 5D Framework section is the centerpiece of the overview. 5 scorecards represent the 5 dimensions: quality for business fundamentals, peers for competitive position, valuation for fair value, analysts for Wall Street sentiment, and holdings for ownership and smart money flows. Below the cards, a framework assessment interprets the overall picture, noting how the dimensions line up and what that means for the investment case. Click any card to jump to its full detailed analysis. At the bottom, the latest updates section shows the most recent news articles on the left and the most recent analyst actions on the right. Click any item to read the full article or report. This keeps you current on the latest developments without leaving the page. That covers the overview page. From here, start with quality, the first dimension of the 5D framework, or click into any of the 5 dimensions for the full deep dive analysis. Thanks for watching.